friends, we would like to thank someone. So we are going to call this one our Bulilit Fan of the Day. Yeah, so we are going to show you our Bulilit Fan of the Day, and her name is Cassie.
Hi, Kutukay. I'm your fan, and I keep watching your show. And your show is actually funny. And I saw your video from the burrito. You guys can ubus it, and why you guys can ubus it? It's yummy.
Oh, di ba? Ayan si Cassie, napakakit na bata talaga si Cassie. My goodness.
Ano yung sinabi niya?
Ha?
Anong sabi niya? Opposite?
Pusit?
Pusit? Opposite, sabi niya.
Ah, hindi, sinabi niya si Josh daw, mukha daw siyang pusit. pero ang cute-cute talaga ni Cassie. Thank you very much, Cassie, for watching us.